it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. Today is the day. This is my 12 days of Simply Gilded Advent calendar. If you are a longtime viewer of my channel, you will know that this is absolutely one of my favorite things of the whole year, and most certainly my favorite Advent calendar. It's always my favorite one. It's actually the only one that I got this year, but I've never missed one of these. I always get it, and I'm always absolutely obsessed, and I cannot wait to dive into this. So this video is full of spoilers. I'm going to unbox the whole thing in one sitting and have a great time doing it. I will swatch any washi, share my thoughts, all of the good things. So if you do not want the Simply Gilded Advent calendar spoiled for you, this is not the video for you. So full spoilers ahead from this point on. The retail price for this box was $185. There was an early bird discount if you ordered, I think in like the first week or so, that it was up. So with the discount, which was $30 plus shipping, it was $164.59 to get it. I currently have the box upside down because the shipping label is on it, but let's go ahead and flip it over and get it opened up and try not to mess up. The packaging in this thing is always just so gorgeous. All right, so as always, the box is reversible. That way the pretty pattern doesn't get messed up. I do actually usually reverse the boxes and save them. If you are unfamiliar with my office space, I have quite the collection of Simply Gilded boxes over the years. I do tend to keep them. And it's got this really pretty damask print on it with the florals and everything. And I do think that that is kind of usually a preview for what's gonna be inside the box. You can kind of see all this like light pink and teal going on here, florals, tissue paper shreds, so much fun. So let's lay out all of our envelopes and take a look. I have all of the packaging all laid out, and this is the journaling card that was inside that same damask pattern in the darker teal color gold foil. So gorgeous, and you can kind of see that pattern repeated on a lot of the packaging. There's also some florals, lots of the light pink, this darker teal, which I am loving, and the purple as well. I do feel like the packaging is usually a little bit of a clue as to what at least some of the designs are. There's usually more than one motif inside, so we shall see. Feels like a mix. We've got definitely some stickers, some washies, all kinds of fun things. So let's tear into this. I've got the first 5 days up here, then 6 through 10, and 11 and 12. 12 definitely being some kind of folio or photo album or planner or something like that. I'm gonna move everything off to the side, and we'll just grab things from one row at a time so we can start with rows 1 through 5. So package number 1 here definitely feels like stickers. The labels did kind of like pop off on a lot of them, but I promise I have not looked at anything in here yet. So yeah, definitely stickers, starting off strong with a whole sticker kit. We have a journaling card, United Kingdom, a set of these bows. How gorgeous is that colorway? Really loving that, the little tiny bows. And then here is the sticker kit that it came with. So this will be a full kit in the standard Simply Gilded format. Ooh, I already see the dark teal of that damask pattern there. So you have a set of date dots, then your full boxes, so gorgeous. All the date covers. So I love that you can use these kits for more than 1 week, especially for like the way that I sticker. These will definitely last me like at least 2 to 3 spreads. Some full boxes, some other headers. Simply Gilded, the stickers are so gorgeous. You do need to use an oil-based pen or like a permanent marker to write on these. It's not a sticker you can write on with a regular gel pen, but they are just certainly very gorgeous looking. And that obviously doesn't matter for all of the decorative stickers. And then this is the more functional page there. So that is the format. And this is a really pretty kit. I love the bolder colors in here. I feel like a lot of Simply Gilded stuff, and especially the Advent calendar last year, had like a lot of really soft colors. So it's really nice to see like something very different stylistically this year, and to have like this bolder color palette. Just really gorgeous there. So that was day number 1. All right, number 2 is definitely washi, and I bet it's washi that matches that kit. And I am correct. So I will swatch all the washi at the end, but you can see that matches the stickers that we just got, that same like UK journaling card look. Number 3, really pretty. This one is like stuffed full. This also feels like Maybe washi? I don't know. There's something like kind of squishy in it. I try not to tear the packaging. I actually just save all of the packaging. I'm not really sure for what though. Okay, no, it's not. It's vegan leather goods. So we have, ooh, that's really cute. It's a kind of shiny pink material. And this one looks like maybe, it's a mini photo album. Oh, how cute is that? You have to print some very small pictures, or this will hold like sampler size stickers. Like this kind of standard sample size that you get. Really, really cute little photo album there. And then this I think is a luggage tag, which is just beyond adorable. So you've got a Simply Gilded bow, classic bow, luggage tag. How cute is that? Definitely gonna have to stick this on a suitcase. Anyway, you can just like slide that in. It took me a second to figure out there, but you know, write your name on it and stuff. And then you have a little luggage tag. All right, number 4. There's definitely a pen in here and some washi. Gotta give the package a little squeeze always to see what's inside. All right, some vibrant rainbow gel pen there with a bow on it, like standard Simply Gilded pen in like this bright rainbow gold foil. I definitely have another rainbow pen. Actually, 2 of them. One similar, but like a much softer color palette, and then this one, which is from an older sub box. So rainbow pen, and it does have the bow on it. And then we have a set of Stardust washi as well, and this really, really pretty holographic silver foil, and like this kind of pale bluish purple color. Really gorgeous there. Number 5. Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know. There's like something chunky in there. Oh, I don't know what that is, but it's got a bow and it's got some crystals. Well, let's take a look. All right, this is like a new thing for sure. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's like this whole bow with like dangling crystal charms. There are some bags on it. And it's got like a hook so you can hang it on something. I am obsessed with this. I love this. I like don't know what this is at all, but I absolutely love it. Wow, that's really, just really pretty. And I'm obviously gonna put this on my like big pin board like, hanging in my office. Yeah, that is just very cool. I think that was 5, so next up will be, oh wait, that's 9. Yeah, 9, 10, we'll lay out some more. I personally like love to see the new and more experimental items. Like if there's washi in the shop that I like, I buy it. I know a lot of people, especially the first year that the box had like less washi and was more stationary items, some people were definitely disappointed. But for me, I love to get like all the newer products and things that I wouldn't necessarily buy myself if I just saw them on the Simply Gilded website versus like any set of washi that I remotely like. I just pretty much always buy from Simply Gilded. So it's kind of nice to get a mix of different products. At least that is my opinion. And if you like some of the items in the box, but not all of them, I'll say this again at the end of the video, but the extras, limited quantity, but the extras do usually come to the website after. And the advent calendar is still on the website if you want to pick up the whole thing. But if you just want to kind of sort through some of the extras, you can usually get lucky and pick up some of the washis and different things like that. All right, let's go number 6 with the little heart thing, the heart wreath. I also love that these aren't at all holiday themed and like it's stuff you can use kind of throughout the year or at a different time of the year. Oh my gosh, it is a rainbow set of books. The book swashies have definitely become some of my favorite, and this is like a pure rainbow one. Classic Simply Gilded pink background, like pastel rainbow, silver foil. That is just so usable with so many different planner spreads, so many different things. So definitely love that. And then you have these really cute sticky notes with a heart-shaped sticky note, die-cut sticky note with the gold foil reef on it. So really, really cute as well. My actual favorite thing to do with these sticky notes is not to write on them, it's to laminate them and turn them into magnets. Our whole house is covered in Simply Gilded magnets that I've made from like the die-cut sticky notes. I have one right here on my planner cart. This one is a little shell from an old sub box, but that's pretty much what I do with a lot of the sticky notes, and the kids really like to make them too. Also works really well as like die cuts and planner setups as well. All right, number 7. This feels like stickers. Oh, back is already open there. So yeah, we've got some deco stickers here, like a very New Year's vibes theme. Oh, it's called self-care. So I was thinking like New Year's, like new you, New Year's, new you. We've got like some goal setting stuff here. You know, we got some salads, we got a slow cooker, coffee, the bike, lotion. The water bottle is so cute, and I love the sneaker as well. So really, really cute. We have the bow seal stickers. I love these as well. Again, you can also laminate these and turn them into magnets or die cuts. Oh my god. Oh, how cute is this one? It's on like the more shiny paper as well, and it's party themed. Holographic foil there. Oh my god, that is so cute. Sparkly presents. This one also, that holographic sheen on the paper. It's like some spring florals and some like very fabric-y looking bows there. That one has gold foil. This one matching the sticker kit we got before on day one. Really, really pretty there. Loving that. I will store that with the sticker kit. This one is holiday themed, so we have a little Christmas deco sheet right here, and then some floral corners. So that's really cute. So you could just stick that in like the corner of a page to like kind of make a little decorative piece, or you could layer that with like a half or a quarter box really easily. Super cute set of stickers. Number 8, we are flying through. Ooh. I don't know, there's something squishy in there. It's in the darker teal color, the packaging. Ooh. So I'm guessing photo album. This is the most popular of the Simply Gilded like vegan leather products. It's not personally my favorite, but I know it is like the best selling of the vegan leather items that she sells, so not remotely surprising that there is photo albums in here. This pattern is absolutely gorgeous. Some of these I do use for sticker storage, and some of them we actually have turned into actual photo albums. Like I sent my daughter to summer camp this summer with one of these photo albums like full of family photos, so we do sometimes use them for photos, but you get a lot of sheets here, and this will hold. This one I think is 4x6. They also come in a 5x7 size. So this will hold either sticker sheets or photos. And then we have this matching little bow charm right there. Number 9, this also feels like stickers. It feels really thick. I love on the days that you get stickers that you get like a lot of stickers. Oh, actually this one might be a kit again. So yes, I don't know what this is, but we'll look in one second. But this is a sticker kit, so it'll be in the same format as before. I love this theme. It is so cute. We already got a pen to match this. The books would definitely match with this. And I bet the washi is the next day on this one. So we have these. It says hello to the best year. I love you could use this for New Year's, but you could also really use this for a birthday. So super, super fun. Very, very shiny. I might have to use this as like my first kit of the new year. That seems like a vibe to start the year with. Love the rainbow on this. I obviously have a ton of other washi in my collection that will match this, because like the Simply Gilded pastel rainbow is just a very, very classic color palette there. And this is in hollow foil. We have the functional page and then our date dots there. And then this says Simply Gilded collab with Estelle and Annie Plants Printables. So I'm guessing this is a little insert. Basically a little mini planner, and it's, oh, that's cute. It's just like 2 sets of grid paper. It feels like it's printed on the Tomoe River paper, so it's like that really thin paper that you can still use a lot of pens on because it's like super, super smooth. And yeah, so just this teeny tiny little insert there, super cute. And then 10, I'm guessing this is the washi to match with that kit, which I'm so excited for. I can't wait to see what this washi looks like. Does not disappoint. All right, so we've got this, which is like balloons and rainbows. I'm obsessed with that. And then this one, which is like rainbow cakes and glasses. Again, I will swatch all of this. We have a 5mm little rainbow washi there, really cute. And then this one with the stars, so very party vibes. All right, last 2. So 11 in the rainbow box. This one is an actual box. More tissue paper inside. Washi. Oh, we have a pet tape and some more washies. Gotta clean off the shredding here. There's like a fine powder that is coming off some of this shredded stuff that is just making a mess. But first off, covered in that, we have this very, very classic except with a little twist that I can see that I'm not sure if you could see on the film yet, but you will when I swatch it. It is a classic pink, Simply Gilded pink washi with the gold bows, except there is a like subtle star shimmer pattern in the background. This is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to see this unrolled. So I like need to open that immediately. Then we have a scallop washi here. You can tell the scallop washis are packaged a little bit differently. So that'll have like the cutouts on the bottom, and this looks like it matches that first kit, the UK one. And then we have a pet tape of the birthday stuff here. So this will have a ton of little stickers, and it's printed on like holographic paper, super shimmery. One, this will match and be like extra deco, but I also feel like doing the birthday theme, that's just really, really usable because you could use birthday stickers and like cake, balloons, the fireworks. That's just very usable multiple times throughout the year. So really nice set for the pet tapes there. I love that she's been doing these. You do get like a ton of stickers on this roll. Number 12, had to clear off the desk there a little bit. That last box did get a little bit messy. And so this is our last item, and it's definitely gonna be a vegan leather good in the bag. Oh, my favorite, it's the pencil case. All right, this is my favorite of the Simply Gilded products. This one actually looks like it's more nylon than the vegan leather, but these are so, so useful. This is such a good little storage pouch, and it's perfect for traveling. So it's just like this nice little pouch here. It is 8.5 inches by 6 inches, and then when you open it, it's got like space for pen storage and all different kinds of stuff. I have, I think, like 3 or 4 of these at this point. Most of them from old sub boxes, but so you've got here like pockets, the little clear pouch. This part also all clips in and out, so you can take it out if you want to just use this as like more general storage, but you've also got this that has like the double-sided pen loops on it. When I travel with planner supplies, this is usually what I use to pack up like pens, markers, and washi and stickers and things like that. I absolutely, absolutely love these. And this one is in such a cute little floral pattern there. So that is a perfect item to end the 12 days of Simply Gilded with. All right, so I have everything laid out on my desk now, and I did go ahead and swatch all of the washis. Like, look how gorgeous that is. Get you really close there. I am so obsessed. I love actually both kits. I think are really, really gorgeous, but like particularly this kind of celebratory kit is so cute. And I think almost all of the washis from here down, like you could totally use all together. Well, this one's gold, so maybe not. But that one is really, really pretty with the subtle pattern in the background there. Yeah, I think this was another really great box. If you're looking for like an all washi situation, this may not be for you, but if you like getting a mix of different products, so, so good. I did add up all of the washi and the 2 sticker kits and the photo album, and that was around $140. I couldn't find a price on a pencil case because they don't have currently any in stock, but that doesn't even include like the pens, this charm thing, the other sticker sheets. So for me, this is definitely worthwhile. It always is. Like, I'm not missing this any year that it's available, but your personal value may vary depending on how much you like the variety of items. I love that you don't get too much of any one thing in here. You get like a good mix of the washi, of stickers, of the other items, and some like really fun stuff that I would definitely never buy myself, but nonetheless is just so gorgeous. I need to go hang this up like right now. I'm so obsessed with this. But yeah, that is the 2024 12 Days of Simply Gilded Advent Calendar. I did just go ahead and check on the website. There are still copies of the full box available. It's $185 as it's currently listed. So if you do want to pick this up, you can still do it. And again, once the last of that has like cleared out, or after the new year, I think usually if there are extras available of any of the individual items, that does usually come to shop as well. So yeah, let me know, did you already pick this up? Are you going to be picking it up? What are some of your favorite items? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I had so much fun unboxing this and just tearing through it. Always one of my favorite videos to film every single year. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned, even more fun stuff coming. I'm pretty sure my next video up is going to be my 2025 planner lineup, so definitely stay tuned for that. Happy planning, happy shopping, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.